Hey, to increase volume level of your microphone in the OBS, all you have to do is just to open the sound mixer and select your audio input capture device. So as you can see, in my case, it's actually set for the 20 decibels, but as a default, when this slider is on the right side, it's actually the 0 decibels. So all you have to do is just to click on these three dots and then select a more advanced sound settings. Then from this, I can recommend you to click on this icon to unselect the percentage view and get all the decibels. As you can see, it's on the 20. So you can input here any specific data, like for example, 10 decibels. Click outside, and as you can hear right now, my voice is not that loud. When I'm gonna move this slider like this, it's on the 0 decibels. So now we can probably, you probably cannot hear my voice that good like it was on the start of this video, but I can recommend you to actually test it and make something between 10 or 20 decibels. So in my case, I'm using actually 18, and for me, it sounds really good. So that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.